What if I told you that you're just one skill away from making $100 a day, without a degree, without experience, and without begging your boss for a raise? Sounds crazy, right? But let me ask you this. Why is it that some people your age are making money in their sleep, while others are stuck in 9-to-5s they hate? In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through 5 real ways you can start earning $100 a day online, even if you've never made a single dollar before. No fluff, no get-rich-quick scams, just real strategies that work in 2025. Stick with me until the end, because the last method is the easiest to start, and most people don't even know it exists. Let's dive in. Section 1. Freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr. Let's start with freelancing, the gateway to your first online dollar. Now wait, before you say, "But I have no skills." Do you know how to use Google Docs? Can you write basic English? Can you follow instructions? Boom! You have a monetizable skill. On Fiverr or Upwork, people pay for the simplest thing: proofreading, transcription, basic Canva designs, even writing product names. One 17-year-old I know made $150 fixing grammar on podcast scripts. His secret skill? Grammarly. And if you're thinking, "But I'm not creative," listen. Neither is my dog, but even he can fetch a stick. You've got this. Start by creating a simple profile, offer 2 to 3 small services, and deliver them better than anyone else. $20 gigs stack up fast. 5 clients? There's your $100. But what if you don't want to deal with clients at all? What if I told you you could make money in your sleep? Section 2. Selling digital products. Welcome to the world of digital products. Ebooks, templates, checklists, planners. Things you create once and sell forever. Here's how it works. Use free tools like Canva or ChatGPT to create something useful. Say, a budgeting template. Upload it to Gumroad or Etsy. Market it on Pinterest, Reddit, or TikTok. Now imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing a $7 sale while you were sleeping. That's not a dream. It's called passive income. And it's addicting. Create once, sell forever. That's how digital products print money. Unless, of course, you try to sell a How to Retire at 12 guide. Coming up, what if I told you that you could earn money by talking to a camera without showing your face? Section 3. YouTube automation faceless. YouTube channels are exploding. And yes, you can run one too. Think about this. People watch hours of motivational videos, facts, scary stories, or money tips without caring who's behind the mic. You can write scripts with ChatGPT, get voiceovers from AI, find free footage from Pexels or Pixabay, and edit in CapCut. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. It's a snowball effect. One viral video equals $500 plus. And it works 24/7. And no, you don't need a $2,000 mic setup. You need Wi-Fi and a little patience. But what if you're in a rush? You want cash now, not 3 months later. Don't worry. The next method is lightning fast. Section 4. Microtasks and side hustle apps. When you need quick cash, microtask platforms come to the rescue. Apps like Swagbucks, user testing, and remote tasks pay you for simple actions. Answering surveys, testing websites, tagging images. Not glamorous, but it's instant. Stack multiple platforms, and you can hit $30 to $50 a day within a week. Add affiliate bonuses or referral commissions. And there's your $100. This is your plan B, the bridge income while you build your long-term stream. It's like working a part-time job, minus the boss breathing down your neck. But here's the million-dollar question. What's the simplest, most overlooked way beginners are making daily income right now? Section 5. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing, your ticket to $100 per day without owning a product. Here's how it works. You find a product people want. You promote it using your unique link. If someone buys, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Impact, and ClickBank are beginner-friendly. Post reviews, tutorials, or even a tweet. One link, One click, one commission. It's like being a digital middleman, but your shop is always open. And unlike your ex, affiliate links actually give you something when people click. Now, you're probably wondering, which one of these methods should I start with first? Let's break that down. You're feeling overwhelmed. Breathe. You don't need to master everything. You just need to pick one, commit for 30 days, and learn as you go. Because here's the truth. The biggest risk isn't trying and failing. It's never starting at all. If 15-year-olds on TikTok can do it, so can you. The tools are free. The time is now. And the world is waiting. If you're ready to take the next step, let's turn your side hustle into your main hustle.